While touring a local holistic recovery or rehab center on Vancouver Island, I ran into a philosophy that is becoming more and more popular and has grown over the last 5 or 10 years. Uh, and I want to make a note here. While I do not endorse the majority of types of psychiatry available because it is way over focused on pharmaceuticals and restraint and let's call it physical correction. And I'm talking about bizarre therapies having to do with shock, cutting, chemical destruction and or overwhelm in the form of antidepressants, anxiolytics, antipsychotics, you name it. There is a movement called positive psychiatry. We're just going to use the word positive here, that really focuses on 5 things you need to be well, and they're foundational in any individual's life. Well, the reason I found this idea hopeful is that even of all things, psychiatry could be finding their own feet and finding their own place in the world of recovery. They essentially, this positive psychiatry movement determined 5, what they call the STAMP process, which stands for safety, team, ability, meaning, and play. And they use these 5 core values in order to achieve and help a person evaluate what they're doing, how they're gaining, and their goals and aspirations and realities in each of these areas. You see, because without a feeling or a sense of safety in their area, their community, themselves, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, they're going to be withholding or backing away from possibly the way out of their own traps. Team obviously includes a wider sphere of the individuals around them, their abilities, what they actually can and cannot do, and reconciling those things, the meaning that they place in importances, and finally play. While this is, in my estimation, let's call it a weaker model than a fully holistic model, it is minimally going in the right direction. So I do want to applaud the positiveness of this particular holistic process and incorporating some of the key foundations for recovery and for wellness that can be easily incorporated into any wellness model. My name is Anthony. I am a recovery coach, and I'm a health positive individual.